Hola chicos, and welcome to another new semester at NC Central. So this tutorial, actually let me switch screens, is going to show you how to register for MindTap, particularly in a course that has been integrated with your LMS, your Learning Management System, and for our university, that's BlackBoard. So the first thing you're going to do is access BlackBoard and log in. So here I am on my login screen. And then you are going to open a course. So you are then going to, once your course is open, select the course information section to the left. Let's turn this off so you can see what you see. So scroll down all the way to the very bottom, and then you are going to see the name of your course with MindTap in parentheses, and you are going to click that link. You may have a pop-up blocker, in which case you'll have to allow this website and then refresh the page. But in this case, I have already logged in through BlackBoard before, and so it has immediately taken me to the course, and the name of your course should appear right here. Now if you do not have a Cengage or MindTap account, it is going to bring you to, or haven't logged in through BlackBoard before, it's going to bring you to a login screen where you'll either one, log in with your existing credentials, or two, create an account. At which time you'll be prompted to continue on to the course and or purchase materials. MindTap is the required material for this course, so unless you have an existing access code, you will need to purchase material. If you have any questions, please contact me about that. But otherwise, that should get you enrolled in our MindTap course and ready to do assignments. So anytime, I'm going to pop back to the screen. So anytime you see this kind of blue abstract hexagon, it is going to bring you directly to a MindTap link. And so let me show you, for example, in our weekly content folder. So I'm just going to open up the folder that has a vocab unit to it. And you can see just by looking at these icons, there are two MindTap assignments. If I click this, 0 Capítulo 4 Goals, this is going to launch, and I already have it loaded, so it's going to open up in this tab I already have. It is going to bring me to that assignment. So here it is, Capítulo 4 Goals, and so I can click this, and I can complete the assignment. And this, if it's the first time you're opening up these types of activities, it's going to tell you a little bit about the activity type. Okay, and same thing, which happens here. So if I click 3 punto vocabulario 1 la casa, it's going to refresh my tab here, or open a new tab if you don't already have Cengage MindTap open, and it will open the exact series of activities that is associated with that class's topic. And as I recommend and have surely have stated in class before, you should complete these activities in the order in which they appear. So starting with the first activity, completing them in order until you reach the quiz at the bottom. So I hope this is helpful in not only the registration process, but also a little bit more with Cengage MindTap Blackboard integration. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Adios.